Hey everyone, Dan with True North Motos. Today we're going to go over the install of our KTM and HUSQ single start switch upgrade kit. So this is going to be for the 24 plus KTM EXCs, the FES Husqvarna, and the GASGAS 500 street legal bike and 350. I think it's the EC. What you're going to get in the kit is the old style starter button for the old style KTMs, a single start, and then it's already got the correct connector to be plug and play on your bike, with the loop to go to the kill switch for your Euro switch. So that's going to be the upper and lower Euro. And so you got your high, low, your kill, your horn, and your turn signal stuff will be on the bottom. This is going to be if you had the the CEV switch. So you're going to have your horn, your kill, off, low, high, and your turn signals. Quick note, if you're assembling this one didn't get assembled that way. I like to flip it so this top piece is the other direction because it's easier to hit the kill and the horn over here and flip the light control with your finger. So this is the jumper for your kill switch that would go to that guy. All right, so behind me, this is my personal 24 500 EXC. It already has a kit installed, but we're going to go over it and show you how to do it. Tools needed for this install are going to be a Phillips screwdriver, a T20 Torx, and an 8mm. You're going to have to remove your old switch, which I've already done. It's going to be a Phillips. Pull that switch off. Also, you're going to need to remove your headlight mask. So I've already taken the bolts out. There's 2 bolts right here and here that you need to remove. On mine, I have to remove them all the way. On the stock ones, if you don't have the motor-minded dash, you can just loosen them and slide it out. And then you pop your mask off, and you can just kind of set it to the side. It's easy to take it all the way off if you're doing a full install. Like I said, we already did it on this bike. So you've taken your old switch off, you follow the wiring down, and you unplug it right here. And then you're going to take your new switch, mount it up where the old one was, route your wiring down, and plug it in. You then are going to have your bullet lead. So we'll leave that for a second. On the other side, to remove this switch, you're going to need to remove your throttle housing and then use the T20 to loosen this and slide it off the end of the bar, then slide your throttle back on. While the throttle's off, you can mount your single start button, which is a Phillips. Just make it easier while you're in there. Then route your wiring down. If we come back here behind this plug right here is going to be where that switch plugged in. You're going to unplug it, plug in our switch, and then that gray lead I showed you on the bench is going to go to that, see if I can get it so you can see it a little bit better, that black and yellow that comes off of your new switch there. So super simple to install. After that, obviously just pop your headlight mask back on, push it forward, put your 8mm bolts back in, and go ride and enjoy.